Today we're gonna make this Greek yogurt strawberry bar. Perfect dessert for any summer barbecue. To get started on making our Greek yogurt summer bars, we're gonna start with these Greek cookies. So you can buy this at your local Greek market, or you're gonna click my Amazon link so that you can buy it online. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna start breaking them up. Now that we have our cookies all crumbled, now we're gonna take our Greek yogurt. So we're gonna have our Greek yogurt in a bowl, and we're gonna add to that 1 container of condensed milk. Mix this together. Super easy and refreshing dessert. So we mix the yogurt and condensed milk. Next, we're gonna take our crumbled cookies and we're gonna add it to our mixture. So I'm gonna add almost all of it. I'm gonna leave some for the top. So we'll leave this on the side and we're gonna mix in our cookies. Look how easy. Now that we have our cookies mixed, we're gonna take our pan here and we're gonna take the mixture and add it right to the pan. As soon as we take that, put it in the pan, we're gonna spread it out nice and even. We're gonna put this saran wrap on the top, make it nice and flat, and we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. So now we're gonna take saran wrap, we're gonna put that right on top, like this, and we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so it can set, and then we'll finish the top. So I've taken our yogurt bars out of the fridge, taking this off. You could see that it's nice and set. And next we're gonna use some jelly on top. So I'm using a strawberry jelly and I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of water, just a little bit so you can loosen up the jelly and whisk it together. So there you go, it's a little bit looser. And now we're gonna take this and we're gonna pour it on top of our dessert. And we'll spread it out with a spatula. And you can use any kind of jelly if you like for this, but the strawberry is nice and refreshing for summer. And it's always a crowd pleaser. My kids love it. So we'll put this here. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the crumbled cookies that we have. Take a little bit of this, put it on top. This is a perfect dessert for summer barbecues. And now before you serve this, we're gonna put this, just like this, back in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours so that it will be easy for us to cut it and serve it. Now that our dessert is nice and set, we're gonna cut it so that we can serve it. Beautiful. You guys are gonna love this amazing dessert. For the full recipe, visit NikkiQueckis.com and don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.